All right, and this is for part 2. So basically you're going to create two graphs. One is a box plot and one is a scatter plot. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the scatter plot and how to figure out all of this value from number 5 to 7. Okay, so you're going to go back to the data that you want to use. Again, don't use New Jersey, use other states than New Jersey. And I'm going to show you how there's a formula. So in Excel, we use formula to figure out what is the value they want to find. Okay, so this is what's good about Excel, and you'll be using this in real life too when you go to college, and even if you work as secretary, and so on. So you'll see in here each of the cell, right? You can see the name of the cell. This is C7 right here. Name is here, and if you click on this, this is called B10 right here, B10. So you're going to use the formula called log-est. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this link on the cell D6, and you're going to put equal sign. Okay, you're going to find the data where it starts not 0 on the number cases. So in this case, 19, right, which is C19 here. There's 78. Sorry, just delete that, sorry. You're gonna put log S, so L-O-G-E-S-T, all capital letter. You're gonna do parentheses, okay? The data starts from C19, right? I'm gonna scroll down. It goes up to C34, right here, 2060. So I'm gonna put C capital letter 19 until C34. Okay, comma, and the time is from 15 days, which is C19, right? So I'm sorry, B19 until ... B34, and then put parentheses, close parentheses, and hit enter right away. And it will tell you the growth factor and the initial amount. Now, why is the initial amount not 78? So this is just predicted initial amount, because obviously it doesn't start from 0, right? And it doesn't start from 78 right away. It's just, we cannot find the real data. And this is how you predict the initial amount using this formula. Okay, now we're gonna go and create a scatter plot. So how do we create the scatter plot? You can see here, there's an insert, right? Insert chart. Right here. Now, you don't want to do insert chart right away, okay? So delete this. What you're going to do, you're going to drag from time all the way down to this. So again, you're going to drag B3 all the way to C34, okay? Don't worry about part 3. This is for part 3. And you're going to click insert chart. And there you go. Automatically, it will choose scatter plot, because this is going to be the best fit plot. And you have to explain why this is the best fit plot. Now, in the scatter chart, right, you can look through, you can customize it if you like the chart color to be like whatever color you want, right? Now, in the setup, after you click scatter chart, you want to figure out what's the best fit line, right? So in order to do that, you can click on the chart itself, the scatter plot, or you can click customize. You go down, scroll down where it says data labels. You don't have that. You don't have to do that, or trend line. Now, is this a linear? Think about it. No, right? So you want to change it to exponential. Okay. And click show R square. You know what R square is, right? And if you go to legend, actually, that's pretty much it. So you're going to figure out the R value based on the B value that the B value they already got. Remember the formula, y equals 8 times 1 plus R to the power of X, right? So if you know the B, you can figure out what is the R. Okay, that's the clue. Go to the next video for how to create box plot.